Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes of Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our heavy-duty Jeep JK cross members. Okay guys, so on your Jeep JKs, the cross member unfortunately is one of the lowest points on the bottom side of your Jeep. And Jeep made it out of some really thin material. So if you've wheeled it much, you've probably seen the effects of what the rocks can do to your factory cross member. So what we've done is we made a direct replacement for your JK. It doesn't matter if you have the 3.8 or the 3.6, we've got a cross member for your JK. It's going to be a direct bolt-on. Dimensionally, it's just like the factory. All the mounting holes are there, the threaded holes, it's all there. It's going to directly bolt in. But we made ours out of a lot thicker material, and on the vertical walls it's actually double thick with material. We made it to where two interlocking pieces come together, and then we fully weld the seam where it's put together. The heavy-duty construction of our Jeep JK cross members also make them suitable for mounting leak bracketry too. For even more rigidity, at the through holes where it mounts on the edges of the frame, we use a nice heavy wall DOM, so that can't be a failure point either. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.